Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I share with you one more pattern for the Valentine's collection, this Amigurumi Heart. It's a very loving one, of course, and as I call it, a flying heart, because obviously the wings. The wings are beautiful, it's a very nice applique. You have the video tutorial for the wings here, in case you need help with the wings, alright? And the heart is very simple and very easy to crochet. The written pattern, the free written pattern, is in the description box of this video, just right below here. And it's a very fast pattern. So I haven't shot a video tutorial for this one, but as I told you, the wings, you can fly away and find the pattern here. All right, check out other patterns for the Valentines that we have it here for the tutorial, and I hope you like them all. I see you for the next week, and bye!